In this video, we'll look at intra-region routing through a centrally shared VCN and OCI Network Firewall using DRG. Here we deployed OCI Network Firewall in central service hub VCN with application distributed across multiple spoke VCNs. In this design, hub VCN and application VCN, which is spoke, are connected through DRG. This is a recommended approach for inter-VCN connectivity within a region for its simplicity and scalability. Let's look at the routing and traffic flow. Traffic from web tier instance to the app tier subnet is routed to the DRG using web tier subnets route table. The DRG route table and the app VCN attachment forwards traffic to the service hub VCN attachment where the centralized OCI network firewall is deployed. In the service hub VCN attachment, VCN route table for DRG ingress routing directs traffic to the firewall's private IP. If the traffic is permitted, OCI Network Firewall sends the traffic back to the DRG using its subnet route table. The DRG route table on the service hub VCN attachment forwards traffic to the app VCN attachment. The app VCN attachment uses VCN route table for DRG ingress routing to deliver traffic to the destination VM on the app subnet. Return traffic from the app tier VM follows the reverse path, starting with the subnet route table entry to the DRG. The DRG route table on the app VCN attachment forwards return traffic to the service hub VCN attachment. In the service hub VCN attachment, VCN route table for DRG ingress routing directs return traffic again to the firewall's private IP. After inspection, the firewall forwards return traffic to the DRG via its subnet route table. The DRG route table on the service hub VCN attachment forward traffic to the app VCN attachment. The app VCN attachment uses VCN route table for DRG ingress routing to deliver the return traffic to the VM on that web tier subnet. Now I have configured all the required routing we discussed just now. We'll trace the traffic path using MTR to see if it is working as intended. Let me log into the VM. My source IP is 10.1.1.6. My destination app VM is 10.1.2.222. Let's try and reach that. We are able to connect. Let's do an MTR. Yes. So the first hop 140 is the DRG. Next is it is going to the firewall 10.0.1.99. Then it comes back to DRG. Finally, it is reaching the app VM. This concludes our demo. Thank you for watching.